I'm here inside Falls Foundation Repair with a story. When I bought a house, I had the inspector, we were very excited, and the inspector said, it's got foundation problems. And you talk about, I've got goosebumps right now, you talk about being concerned or scared, like, oh, I do not like the sound of that. I don't even know if I want this house. And you know who gets caught in the middle is the realtor. And that's really who this message is for, is what does the realtor do? She's trying to help this family get a dream home, sell this house. Foundation repair, so many options out there. What's the real story, Mike?
Well, Adam, you're right. So many times a realtor works very hard to get their client set on a home or to get a home properly staged and marketed to get an offer. And they negotiate a deal between a buyer and a seller realtor, and someone's found their dream home, and you're excited you're moving, and the home inspector comes out, and with one click of his mouse, he turns that dream house you're talking about into a crack house.
Oh, no. That's funny. I haven't heard that one before.
And to be honest with you, it's really not that bad. It's never that bad. Everybody immediately thinks of foundation repair is like a heart attack. And the facts are, it's just not that serious.
Okay, good.
The reality is in most cases, homes are needing, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 worth of foundation repair. And although that is a large amount of money, traditionally it's not enough to blow up a real estate contract. It may be $200,000 or $300,000. We can come out, we can evaluate that home. We'll be happy to meet with the buyer and the seller, help the buyer understand that just because a home needs a few repairs doesn't mean it's a bad house. Help the seller understand that they probably already know, but it has a few cracks and it needs to be repaired. We're happy to do that repair. We're happy to pay for all the invoices, statements, inspections, engineering reports. Send all that information over to the title company to get it through underwriting, get the deal closed, and we're happy to be paid off the HUD-1 settlement statement at closing. Certainly benefits the buyer, the seller, and the realtors.
Sounds like you've done that a few times before.
It is. Traditionally, we're going to run that operation somewhere around 15 to 30 times per month at all the different title companies. Every month we're cashing a lot of checks from all the different title companies in town, and we're certainly happy, proud, glad to be a part of all those transactions.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate that, Mike. You were actually talking the language just to realtors, and so if you're a realtor or know a realtor, that's great advice. If you're a regular homeowner just like me, maybe it sounded a little specialized, but that gives me the confidence that, they really know what they're doing over here. And it's concerning because what you guys do is underground. We don't really know if you're doing it right or not.
You're exactly right, Adam, and we encourage the realtor just to take one moment here, save our phone number in your cell phone under Foundation Man in your phone.
Yeah.
And that way you'll have it. Hopefully you never need it, but we're in Wichita Falls, you may. And as a homeowner, we encourage you as well. Save our phone number in Foundation Man, whether or not you have a listing, whether or not you have a family home, or whether or not you just have a crack that you need dealt with. We'd be honored to come out and take a look at your property.